So here's the fun project for the day. We decided to purchase a RC car, buggy, truck, whatever you want to call it. It came with that as the topper, right? We tore it off because we didn't need it. We threw it essentially aside. And now we have this fantastic cable runner for the top of what we would call those paneled ceilings.
Suspended ceilings.
Suspended ceilings. So rather than running cable across long buildings where you'd have to try to pop out every panel, keep on feeding it through till you get to the end, we simply take your cat6 cable, put it right in, and run it down the way. This crawls over the little vaulted panels pretty darn easy. And then we put a light at the front so we can see what we're doing. Angle it up, angle it down. So yeah, we will have hopefully extra footage of that, but we just threw the extra tire and zip tied it on for a little extra weight. And there's our efficient $50 cable runner. All right, now we're in the ceiling, and there's our little man running conduit instead of conduit. Oh yeah. Go to the your left. Keep going. Give it. Oh, now do it again. Come to me. Perfect.
Getting resituated.
And there we ran the cabling with our little RC car. Always be careful to not overshoot. As you can tell that almost didn't stay there.
That almost ended badly.
Yes.